Good morning, everybody. Well, we are in Fairhope, Alabama. Today we're riding along the coast. I'm gonna end up in Tallahassee tomorrow night home. So today we don't have a lot of stopping, specific stopping anyway, just the stopping we want to do. But we're riding the coast, which is like one of our favorite things to do. Windy roads, coastal riding, both great for us. Anywho, we're headed out right now. Humidity is here, so let's go. Guys, that was quite the view coming down off the hill, right? So this is the Fairhope Municipal Pier. What a cool pier. People running out there right here on the water. We have found our happy place. We're on the water. So now let's head to Tallahassee. What a beautiful little town. Fairhope, Alabama. Come check it out. Alright, gas stop number one. The main reason I'm doing this video is yesterday you saw me, I bought gas in Mississippi, 93 octane for $3.65. It's $4.15 here. 50 cents difference between the two.
Alright, so I just got a message from Billy, and he said visit Page and Pallet Bookstore real quick while you're in town. You will thank me. Get a picture of Winston Groom's sidewalk recognition. He wrote the Forrest Gump. And then he said look north from the pier and notice the red clay cliff. It's called Ecoeur Rouge, and it is the highest elevation in the United States coastline between Maine and Mexico. I thought that was interesting, and I'd share with you guys if you ever come this way.
Welcome to Gulf Shores. We'll be hanging a left and headed to Florida. Guess where we're at? Welcome to Florida. Yeah. Or in our case, welcome home. You got a sticker? You can put a sticker up there?
Yeah.
You need to put a sticker up there. Everybody else has. All right, let's sticker it. All right, so we found our friends from Switchback, so we figured we'd go right above them. Woohoo! What you doing over there, Mama? She's wearing her Billy's hat. No, Uncle Jesse's hat with her Billy's bacon shirt.
Come represent.
If she'd have just got some pants from Cows and Coops, she'd be all set. All right, it's official. We in Florida. Got rid of that helmet. Now it's time to ride. Ready to ride, Ange? She's ready to go, I think. Here we go. There is nothing cooler than cruising the coast on your motorcycle and a fighter jet flying over the top. Fucking awesome. guys can actually see the jet or not. They've been flying all over us. That's pretty freaking cool. Alright guys, we stopped for lunch. It says welcome to our crazy, sometimes loud, always tasty establishment. And they got a big shark. Looks like fire in his mouth. How cool is that? Let's go eat. Alright, we're at Andy D's for lunch. Look at this setup. Sitting here. Water's just over there. Outside, so Mama Badger's happy. Nice breeze and a great view. Now let's try the food. And we're off. Lunch was good. I had fish tacos. Mama had a chicken wrap. Now we're on the road again. Going over the water. I love that. More bridges. Guys, we're here. We made it. Tallahassee, Florida. We're at the Sound Bar. We're gonna leave them some poos, grab some dinner. They're having like music trivia tonight, so they're all in here triviaing it up. Here's kind of the entryway. Got some records up there. And then you come in this way. They got some swag over here, it looks like. And then you come in here and you order here. There's Mama.
Who had the
This
first
is Brian.
#1 record?
This is Brian.
Was it Johnny Cash,
There's
Elvis
Thomas.
Presley, Jerry Z. Lewis, or
And then
Carl
here's
Perkins?
the whole setup in here.
Number 11. For the 5th.
Alright, so tonight was music trivia, but a lot of times they have live music here, and this place is packed. But check it out when it's all ready for live music. And they got it turned up too. Anyway, really cool little spot here in Tallahassee. If you're in the Tallahassee, come say hi to them. Check this place out.
Glad you're here, and guess what? I have some more food for you guys to come and get. We're in Tallahassee, Florida at the Sound Bar. This is Mr. Tom. He's gonna let everybody know that works here that you can come pick up your poo. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, well, it's part of the Wrecked Rider Fun. Sonny came up with the tagline because shit happens. And so that's why we have these little tiny poos. You come, ask for your poo. Inside you'll see there's a QR code. You're gonna scan that. We're giving them 6 of them. One of you is gonna be a winner. So come get your poo, scan it. And if you guys can do us a favor, support this guy, help him out here. That's the whole idea, is for you guys to get to know who he is and where he's at and what's going on. And also to spread the word about the Wrecked Rider Fun. So there you go. Come to the Sound Bar, Tallahassee, Florida.
That's a wrap for the Sound Bar. Now to the Holiday Inn. I'm pooped. One more day and we're home. Away we go. All right, that is a wrap. I'm exhausted. She's all pumped up and excited.
I am. I could keep going. He is done.
I'm done. I'm done with everything. Anyway, so you guys saw what a crazy day. The thing you didn't see was we were coming in to Tallahassee and we're headed down by the Capitol, and it's a one-way. And I look up and there is a car coming directly at me.
Mind you, we don't know where we're going.
Right, so first thing I think is, well shit, it's turned to two-way and I'm in the wrong lane. So I jerk it over in the right lane. Guy behind us is also.
I look back and I'm like, okay, there is a guy behind me, so.
Then the next stoplight I look and it's a one-way. So the dude had went the wrong way down a one-way street, head on for us.
Does that ever happen to you guys? I say that's not the first time it's happened to.
But we have landed here in Tallahassee at Holiday Inn. It's our final night.
So I posted on Facebook last minute, I think like the last time we stopped. I don't know if it was a gas stop or lunch. Maybe it was lunch, and I was like, okay, we're headed to
The Sound Bar
in Tallahassee. Anybody wants to join us, join us. And not expecting anybody to be there, so it was really cool with Brian.
Yeah, Brian showed up. He's part of the CVMA.
Yeah.
Yes.
CMA.
Too many of these ABC alphabet soups. CMA here in Tallahassee, and in fact he led us here to the hotel, so
awesome.
We appreciate
Blessing
that
for him to be there, full of information. Yeah, it's great to chat with him and talk with him. And
that's it, guys. That is the end. Well, I'm gonna get some coffee and I'm gonna edit this video and I'm going to bed.
Oh, real quick, we signed a banner that's gonna be at the Sound Bar that you guys can, as soon as they get it up on the wall, I'll take a picture of it, post it so that you guys can see where that's at. So if you ever go to the Sound Bar, besides getting your poo, you can also take a picture in front of the banner. All right, he's ready. He's done.
Good night, guys.
Let's go edit this.